So we are going to be installing this right here. Alright, so with this, what happened is the metal cracked, so every time I flush it, it doesn't want to flush even though I adjust the chain. And I just recently super glued this on there, so hopefully it's not hard to get off. Once I actually take this off, I'll show you. You have this, so I'm assuming I have to unscrew this. Actually, it looks like this part snaps out. Let's see. Yep. You just pull it right off, it snaps. This part right here, you're going to unscrew. It screws backwards for the toilet, by the way. So there's that. And then you're going to stick this in there, screw that back on, and snap this on. Cool thing is once it's on, it'll swivel out either way to adjust to this, and you can adjust that as well. I think I'm going to need it right there, so stay tuned. So you'll probably be able to screw yours right off because it's super good, but I'm going to use these right here. Alright, now that that's cut off, I'm going to take this. Looks like the toilet's already a square, so that should just fit right in there, to be honest. And you'll be good to go. So now we're just going to screw this on. Alright, so now that's on there. Now it says rotate with some force. It should be able to turn around to grip on the chain. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so you got to put some force on it. So I'm going to put it about right there. I don't want to snap it in just yet. The chain is going to be about there, so I need to rotate it. Oh man, I was hoping I wouldn't do that. Put it about right there. Let's see. The chain will be about right there. That's perfect. I put it all the way in. Looks like I am going to have to extend it. To about right there. That's perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to snap that in. So now, there you go. You get that motion once you snap it in. There we go. And you know what I did? So there's a mistake. Don't make it. I think I put it upside down. I actually did. This should be, I need to take this out, and yeah, it needs to be turned around. This needs to be back here. Alright, so the handle is on the right way, but what you want to do is you want to put this in there. See, if I put it on with the handle already down, obviously you can't push it down. So to get a good, if you want to do it about midway, I'd say put it there, and this will give you an idea. Put it midway. See, it doesn't flush all the way. But if I have the handle up, put it in there like that, the chain's all the way where it needs to be. See how you get that, see how it flushes automatically? So you don't have to hold this down for 3 seconds or 4 seconds. You just press it, let up. It's going to give it a big dump, flush it right away. So that's how you do that. It is good to go.